I don't think that, makeup just fits into one category and is only supposed to be worn by one type of person. I just think that as long as you want to do it, then you should. Well, hello, I'm Manny MUA and I'm the CEO of Lunar Beauty and also a beauty influencer. It's really cool getting to, be a male representation in the beauty space because it is a predominantly female ran industry, and it's just really nice and refreshing to see representation, like someone that looks like me on the screen. I feel like I fill a niche because it's like I don't shave my face, I'm not trying to look like a female, I don't wear heels, I don't wear nails, I don't do any of that stuff. For me it's just literally like a man in makeup who enjoys, makeup. It's really nice to get to see that, some women can relate to me and like actually understand that and follow along and learn something, even though it's like me putting on my man face. The slogan is like out of this world beauty, and it's all about, living your most like authentic you self in like a brand. I love getting to see a product that I'm like, oh, I've never seen that before. Everything about it, I wanted it to be special, and like you can see it and you're like, wow, that's something. Like, oh, like you'd be proud to own it. That was like my whole goal, was like products that you'd be proud to like pull out of your purse and like use. It's just me, my mom, my dad. Like, I self-funded my brand. I don't have any investors. I don't have really any help. So, it's like me, my design team, and my parents. So it's like, oh my God, what are we doing? It's like crazy. And I still feel like I'm not good enough all the time. Like, I can't help it. Like, I am a human being. I still feel like I could do so much better. But then it's like me putting so much pressure on myself that it's like, okay, calm down. I know in my heart and soul that I've done the best that I could with my brand and like creating the products and like doing the absolute best I could. But it is really hard, and it's like, do you want to have an investor who's going to take this huge portion from you and not maybe be able to execute your vision the way you want it to because they want a bigger markup? It's like, or do you want to go the route of you doing it yourself, where it's so much harder, and financially it's a burden, but you got to really like do whatever the hell you want to do. It's not that serious. It's like, sounds kind of weird, but it's like, it's not that. It's literally like dirt, like on your face, you know what I mean? Like, it's really not that serious, and you can take it off, you can wash it off at the end of the day. It's really, people take it so much more serious than it needs to be taken. And I think that if you have fun, if you're being creative with it and you're doing it for the right reasons, why would you hate it? Why would you not want to do it? Or why would you like neglect it in some way? And I know it's like social norms, like, oh, well, men can't wear makeup. But it's like, but who said? What, because society says so? Like, why, if you want to do it, like, why don't you? If you guys want to watch more money videos, click here.